What is up, Bomb Squad? Welcome to the Burndown YouTube channel. I didn't make a video last week, although I did get some stuff done on the Maliboom, so I figured I'd make a quick video, share that with you guys today, show you what we got done. But we have been working on headers, and I got the donkey header on the driver's side done, so we'll take a look at that, and then we're messing with the passenger side. So, dun, da, da, da. Bam, the old donkey header. So we had to come up and around. Let me get in here. I've got the tire on, but you can see how it goes up and over, cruises down, and all that fun stuff. So I tried to leave as much room as possible for plug wires. I did talk to Grandatelli though. Mainly this one's a little close because I had to come forward, obviously not hit the shaft, but leave room for that. And then when you weld stuff and you try to fit it, everything's it's ended up a little tighter than I wanted. Anyway, I believe we're going to talk to them, and they make a ceramic plug, so we might try a set of those to hopefully keep these from baking. That side's got all the room in the world. And then it comes down to the little guy here, and that's just going to make a U and go up into this hole. So it'll just whoop up into here. That'll give me a bend, and this one will have to come up and bend, and then that gives me two bends for dual wastegates. So we will also do the dual wastegates somewhere over here, and then I'm trying to take all the exhaust out this fender at some point, but I digress. So this is the driver's side donkey header, and then now we're on the passenger side. But as you can see, this one is just pretty straightforward, right? So I've been working on it. Here's the flange, and I'm taking a break drinking coffee. But we got all of these guys welded up. So these are all the tubes that go and essentially make a header. So, but yeah, you're getting it done. It's funny because some of the better welds are actually on the bottom, which is hilarious. But these are all essentially done. Let's see, okay, I finished this. So we welded the little V-band on the collector. So what I think we'll do now is put all these back in the flange on the car, and then I'll just throw a little tack with the glue gun on it to give it shape, so we can kind of put the collector on and make sure everything's kind of happy. The welding, it didn't really screw me, and stuff will still fit. And then if it all fits, like I said, I could tack it, and then where all these come together, they have to be flush. But to get all the parts off the bench, because I have all of these guys to work on, so these are all fan holders, so I'm putting an order together with these. So what I'm going to do is get this to a good stopping point, and then spend the entire afternoon kind of into the evening welding these things. So if you ordered one, thank you very much. If you don't know about the fan holders, head on over to warperformance.com. These hold a 15-inch brushless Bosch fan motor out of a 2015 to 2018 Chevy Silverado. They say later, but then it gets a little confusing, but it goes all the way up to technically 2020. But if you shop for a 2015 to 2018 Chevy Silverado truck fan, it bolts right in here. And then that thing bolts on a shroud, and then life is gravy. But yeah, go check them out. And if you have one ordered, we're working on it. Follow me on Instagram, and then I keep the work updated on those kind of as I go to keep you guys up to date and motivated with all that fun stuff. So let me get this kind of figured out, and we'll bring you guys back and show you what it actually looks like on the car. Okay, here is the passenger side header, and I just had a flange and I had all the tubes, and I'm like, oh, it'll be easy, man, to try to get this exactly back to where it was, to get this to fit on and everything to line up, because I sanded off all my little tacks and stuff. So I was fighting this thing, but we've got it, the end collector just tacked in place. I don't have the ends finished, but what I will do is I'll probably make sure we have real good tacks on there, and then I will weld these guys up. We'll bolt it down here and do the whole dance, and we'll cut this off, make sure the ends are flush, and then I'll have to weld all that. I'll do that last, but I want to have it on here when I weld these, so this doesn't move so much I can't get it on, because this is hard to get on anyway. So let's go throw it on the car, and we'll get this thing wrapped. I'll give you a look at it. All right, well, there is a look at it. Again, we're not finished welded, so if you're like, hey, what are those ugly tacks and all this stuff? But fitment wise, this one was super easy, right? It's really simple to do that. And then the plugs have a ton of clearance, so we don't have to worry about burning plugs. They just come out, like I said, all the room in the world. And then she pokes out down here. It's kind of angled this way because the old Terpsky is there. So again, this one will go down and up into here. And then this guy will go down and underneath the balancer, so that way I can take this on and off or do whatever. So we'll go down and under and then up into here. We'll have the crossover back there, and then the radiator sits here. So we should have plenty of room for activities there. So I'm excited about it. I'm a little frustrated. It's a little bit later in the afternoon, and that was a bit harder than I thought, but I've been out here doing it all day, even though this video is real quick, and it's like, oh, just went by like that. So I'm going to call it a wrap for today. Again, if you have a fan, you're waiting on a fan holder, I appreciate you. We're getting it welded up. I'm going to work on those. I think either tonight I might come back out, or we'll just call it and I'll come out tomorrow afternoon and do as many as I can, and we'll get them done throughout next week. So that is it. I hope you guys stick around. Hopefully we're getting through some of the hard stuff and we're really in low gear. Some of the other plumbing and stuff I'm hoping goes a bit faster. The header building process, because you have that collector and you have a spot where that has to go, and then you have all those pipes to go in there. I find that challenging to make it end up with the vision that you start with, right? You just hang that collector in the middle of the air and you're like, I gotta plumb it to that. As with the other pipes and tubes and stuff, it's just like one or like two. It's way more simple. That's what I'm telling myself. So hopefully we can start picking up some momentum, because we are running out of time, but we are still hoping to make it to Mega Week this year with the Maliboom 2.0. Until next time, you guys know what to do. Thank you for the support. I'm out.
Rolling through the streets, yeah, I'm the king of the block. Got that dragon dry style, make your whole city rock. Maliboom gangster, with a touch of finesse. I'm burning rubber, raising hell, feel the heat, no stress. Turbo LS, under the hood, I'm moving quick. Nicky tires grip the road, make them stick like a trick. She sloppy tune, we got a hit in 08. In the war performance parts all over the place. The bomb squad's on the scene, you two's going wild.